Hello, lovelies. It's been 7 years since I posted my last video. And look at that little baby that was in my video. He's not a little baby anymore. He's a big 8-year-old boy. So much has happened since then. I have to update you and tell you all the things. Anyway, he doesn't feel very good right now. So I'm going to go take care of him and I'll come back. Bye. So my decision to return to YouTube just happened recently around December. It was a thing that I wanted to do. Let's just do it. So here I am, diving right in. I want this to be a channel for all of you who struggle with not feeling good enough. That's what I really want this channel to be about. I want you to know that my whole life I've struggled with feeling good enough. I think it's just something that as a human, we all experience at some point. And my goal anytime I work with anyone is to show them and empower them and give them the tools to remember to feel really good about yourself, to love yourself fully. So that is all for today. Thanks for being here. Thanks for listening. Okay, till next time, I'll see you soon.